So lately, my friend stated that when you're in a very bad situation, if you feel like killing yourself, it is better to do drugs than to do it, right? So it kind of makes sense. This gave me kind of idea for this video we're watching on right now, because it was one of the deeper conversations we have had recently. And here's my kind of self-improvement take on it. So first thing we have to mention is long-term consequences. What are the long-term consequences of this thing? Because as you probably know, there is something like instant gratification and delayed gratification. Instant gratification is doing things that feel pleasurable right now, but make your life worse in the long term. For example, eating junk food is delicious, let's say, and you get fat. So it's not fun in the long term, right? And on the other hand, delayed gratification is something completely opposite. So you're doing things that do not feel good right now. For example, meditating, because when you first start, you're just feeling like stiff, you cannot move, you are bored, you cannot focus, etc. But it kind of makes your life better in the long term because it works. So when it comes to long-term consequences, I would think that what are the long-term consequences of escaping this bad situation we're talking about, overall drugs? So what are the long-term consequences of it? Would this make the situation better in the long term? Would it make you feel less like killing yourself, in a month or two? If you, on top of all of that burden that is happening in your life, had, a knowledge that you are becoming slowly and slowly more addicted to some certain drug, right? It's not that good if you think about it. So if you're feeling bad, doing some drugs will certainly make you feel better in that moment. But then, for example, if you go on with your life and you're not doing those drugs that you did, is the situation like better? Did some kind of chemical substance heal you? Or what is it? You know what I'm talking about right now, you get it. So my friend kind of argued with me that isn't it justified to take drugs in, that moment when you feel like killing yourself, when you feel like you're on the edge, like we're talking extreme situation, right? Because, for example, the situation is so bad, you like feel like killing yourself, you're just about to do it. Is it better to do drugs than to kill yourself? Of course, I wouldn't say no. My point was, won't this drug make you want to kill yourself more in the future? Isn't it like logical? One more thing that my friend wanted to tell me is that some people may be from, worse families, quote unquote, or worse overall life situation. So it might be, the life might be so bad for them, so hard for them. So they had to take drugs in order to, survive in this world. But, I didn't agree, because it's another way of just escaping problems instead of fixing them. It's not fixing the root problem, it just, fixing the symptoms. And again, the same thing arises. Is it a good way to escape? Won't it make your future worse in the long term? I mean, it always will result in the same thing, because you're feeling bad, you're feeling like killing yourself right now, but you're doing drugs so you do not kill yourself. And it results in you feeling worse about yourself because you're now an addict. And in long term, you're probably more likely to commit suicide in the future, right? Because now, on top of that, all of the problems, you have your addiction. So it's not good. My take on what helps is that you have to basically not do drugs, but to do something that will make you proud of yourself, that will make you feel some sense of accomplishment, or sense of doing something for other people. So you have to do some things that you feel proud of, because by doing things that are bad for you because they make you feel better in short term will not make your life better, will not make your bad thoughts go out or anything. It would just give a temporary fix, like 20-minute fix for your problems. So it's not a good way to do. You have to change kind of a belief about yourself. You have to do some accomplishment, do something that you will be proud of, and this will be your reason not to commit suicide in the future, right? And second things I would do is to health max, because health, physical health, equals mental health. So by, you know, making your health habits better, for example, sleeping better, eating better, you know, exercising, or you know, doing those all weird stuff, you will fix your mental health just by couple percent, maybe, if you're in a very bad situation, but it will certainly help no matter how hard is your situation, right? I fixed my light mental problems a couple of years ago just by doing those self-improvement things. But, you know, I believe even if someone is in very hard situation, they can still, you know, help themselves by just being healthy human and not like subhuman currently like everyone else is, right? So one more thing is, what about the bad family situation? Because I believe that in this case, not doing drugs is still better than doing drugs, of course, and doing hard things, doing like this discipline things that I talked about a moment ago, is still better than, you know, doing drugs. So why is it? Because the best analogy that I could come up with is that imagine yourself in 10 to 20 years having your own children and doing drugs since you were a teenager because you had, you know, bad family situation, and now you're raising your own kids and you're still continuing the cycle, continuing the same thing your parents did. So you're just, you know, being this kind of weird addict parent to your children, and they are more likely to get on drugs again because they feel that they are, you know, from hard family situation. So you have to break the cycle. You have to break the cycle, be different person than your parents used to be when you were a teenager, right? This is what make difference. This is what make your children's lives better. I believe that you can achieve greatness no matter your background. Let me know your take on this. Let's connect in the comments. So let me know if you think that drugs are justified in some cases, or what do you think about this whole situation overall. Thank you for watching this. I appreciate you being here that far, and subscribe to this channel if you found some value. See you guys in the next one. See you.